This video demonstrates our active adaptive marker for 3D position tracking. We have constructed an active tracking marker consisting of a red, green, blue LED and a colour sensor. The colour sensor is able to detect the colour of environmental lighting or projected images falling on the marker. The sensor allows us to select a colour for the LED that maximises the tracking performance. If we place the detected colour on a colour wheel in the HSV colour space, the colour on the opposite side is selected for tracking. The tracking colour is calculated every frame to account for changing projections or lighting conditions. We have evaluated the performance of our active marker against a passive coloured marker. The colour palette test involved repeatedly moving the marker across 16 projected coloured tiles. The adaptive marker tracked 88% of the time, compared to 47% for the passive marker. The ambient light test functioned the same way as the colour palette test, with the addition of changing the ambient light. The room lights were toggled on and off every 20 seconds. In this test, the active marker was tracked 92% of the time. The passive marker achieved 42%. This shows the active marker is much more robust when confronted with changing lighting conditions. The passive marker colour test used a tiled palette made of green and orange tiles. This was a specific example where the passive marker would fail, as it was also coloured orange. The results confirm this. The active marker was tracked 91% of the time, with the passive marker only achieving 33%. The dynamic background test used a video of the television show Futurama. The goal of this test was to measure how well the markers worked with dynamic backgrounds. The active marker was tracked 96% of the time, the passive marker was tracked 47% of the time. For a complete discussion of the results, please see our paper. An additional benefit of the active marker is it can be used to provide feedback to the user, in addition to tracking. For example, the colour can change to indicate the activation of a virtual button. This video has demonstrated our active adaptive marker for 3D position tracking. We have evaluated the marker and found it performed much better than a passive coloured marker. In addition to tracking, the marker can also be used to provide user feedback. Thank you for watching.